Combine an element from a list with a string. First, go to brackets. As you see here, we have a list of animals, so we will create a string message as example and assign it by a string of I love my space. Then print message plus animals element 2 or dog. And title method is just optional. Then try it on terminal. Look at that. It's printed I love my dog. Very nice. Actually, there's another way to print that. By using print I love my plus space plus animals element -2 or dog. That title is just an optional, but it's good if you just put title. Okay, try on terminal now. Cool, it's printed I love my dog. Very good. That's all for now. Make sure you have to do this by yourself on your computer. Thanks for watching.